More indexes equals faster queries, right? Not always. When you over-index a database, you can actually slow everything down. Let's see why. First, write performance takes a massive hit. Every time you insert, update, or delete a row, the database doesn't just modify the table. It has to update every single index on that table. If you have 10 indexes, that's 10 separate data structures to maintain. One write operation becomes 10. Your inserts and updates grind to a crawl, especially under high transaction volume. Second, indexes consume serious storage and memory. Each index is a full copy of the index columns, sorted and stored separately. If you index the same columns multiple times or create redundant composite indexes, you're duplicating gigabytes of data. Worse, indexes compete for space in the buffer pool. When index pages crowd out your actual table data, cache hit rates drop and queries slow down. Third, too many indexes confuse the query optimizer. The planner has to evaluate dozens of possible index paths, which adds overhead. And with so many choices, it can pick the wrong one, choosing a suboptimal index that actually makes the query slower. More options doesn't always mean better decisions. Finally, maintenance becomes a nightmare. Reindexing takes longer. Vacuum operations slow down. Backups grow in size and duration. Schema changes get more complex because you're managing a tangled web of indexes instead of a clean, focused set. Bottom line, over-indexing slows writes, wastes storage and memory, confuses the optimizer, and increases maintenance overhead. Index strategically, not excessively. Practice this answer at InterviewMentor.ai. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.